Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just to show you this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the unit today just to show you some of the features and options that this Grand Cherokee has to offer. Starting with, you can see it is in your brilliant black paint finish. And as we come around towards the back of the Jeep here, you can see you do have your park sense feature across that back bumper. Your backup camera equipped there as well. Your power lift gate, and in that back cargo area you can see there is a decent amount of space back there to store your gear, bags, kind of secured out of the way, well on the go. Again, just your power lift gate option. Now the Jeep Grand Cherokee does offer great 4x4 capabilities, so makes a great everyday vehicle, but also offers that extra handling on even some of those tougher road conditions. Now this Grand Cherokee does have the light interior, as you can see there. So something a little bit different from your kind of more typical dark interior. And you can see in that back seat there is plenty of legroom back there for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. In that back seat as well, you do have your heated second row seats, some USB ports back there, help keep your passengers' devices charged up well on the go. Up top you do have your dual pane sunroof. And up front, you do have your touchscreen display area, very user-friendly interface, so you do have access to all your audio media controls, climate controls in there as well, your heated ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, some of the apps that are included in through there, navigation, of course your Bluetooth options, and just the settings as well. Just below that, again, you have access to just some of your basic audio media controls, climate controls in through there. You can toggle your park sense features on and off, your lane departure warning. And in through your center console area, you do have your media ports just built in behind there. And a little bit of storage space as well, keep things organized while on the go. You do have keyless entry, so you do have your push button start in behind, your key fob for the unit right here. Remote start's included, so a great feature you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Your steering wheel mount control, so you do have access to all your cruise control options in on here. Adaptive cruise controls equipped, Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities just in on the left hand side of the steering wheel. Audio media controls just in behind, so everything easily accessible right on the steering wheel itself. Allows you to keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. But you can see this Jeep Grand Cherokee is packed full of great features. If you're looking for an exceptional everyday vehicle, this Jeep Grand Cherokee could be the choice for you. If you have any other questions about this vehicle, please feel free to give us a call, 780-826-2999.